So, equation of the circle in coordinate geometry. Let's have a look. The circle K has its center in the first quadrant. The y-axis is a tangent to the circle K at the point 0 and 3. The circle K intersects the y-axis at the point G and H, with GH equal 8. Find the equation of the circle. What am I looking for? Equation of the circle. How do I find the equation of the circle? We go to the table and we have the formula. Now, almost by default, you can go always for the first one because usually that's where it's easier to find the information than for our second formula. Okay, let's see. What do we need? So we need what? H and K, which is what? The center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. I need coordinates of that. Now, one coordinate I can read straight away, isn't it? Because that will be what? 3. So now all I need is the x coordinate. And then they are saying the radius, that's the second thing I need. Now, radius goes from what? The center onto the very edge in every direction. Now, the other numerical information that is provided for me is 8. And 8 is between G and H. Now, one thing we have to remember when it comes to question with circle, always we think about triangle. And one of the triangle is this triangle created here, which is created with radius and radius. Therefore, what kind of triangle? Isosceles. That means that if I drop the height here at right angle, I'm going to divide this length into 2 equal parts. Well, that means that will be 4 since the full length is 8. Now, what is this length? From 0 to 3, therefore it is 3. So I have a right angle triangle with radius being the only side I'm looking for. And I'm saying, well, I need the radius. I can use that to work out the length of radius. So my radius 4 and 3 right angle triangle, we know Pythagoras or trigonometric ratio. Pythagoras is the one that involves 3 sides, and trigonometric ratio need an angle, don't have an angle. So that means the side that is opposite the right angle, that will be C, one of them A, one of them B. Doesn't matter which A and B because I am adding them here. So that means radius to the power of 2 will be what? 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2. And since I want the radius, not radius to the power of 2, we take a square root of the other side. We put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we get that radius is 5. So now I have this length 5. So I have this number here, 5. I don't have this number, I have this number that is 3. I am left with only that one item. Now again, where does the radius go? From the center to the edge, isn't it? So if that is 5, so from 0 to this point, I'm going to have 5. Therefore, my x coordinate is 5. Therefore, that is 5. So that means that the equation of the circle is x minus 5 to the power of 2 plus y minus 3 to the power of 2. And radius, which is 5 taken to the power of 2, that is 25. So there it is. We have our equation of a circle. One thing always remember, like I'm saying, when you have question with circle, very often we need triangles.